Welcome to today's video. We're going to unbox and review the Bosch Impact Control Phillips screwdriver 3-piece bits. I will be showing you the advantages of these PH1, PH2, and PH3 bits and their corresponding uses. We will also test each of these bits to fully understand their capabilities and see if they are worth the investment compared to cheaper alternatives. Let us unpack these bits. As you can see, the package contains 3 bits. The PH1, PH2, and PH3, each measuring 50 millimeters or 2 inches in length. These impact control screwdriver bits are incredibly robust and can withstand the high power of impact drivers. Their extended torsion zone makes them extremely sturdy for long-lasting work, while the S2 modified steel and optimized heat treatment process provide extra tough endurance for high performance. I highly recommend getting these Phillips screwdriver bits for your next screwdriving job. They last long and perform exceptionally well in heavy-duty applications. In this part of the video, let us compare these with my other bits. First, I will show you the current Phillips screw bit that came with my Bosch GDR 120Li impact driver. Although it is a Bosch brand, it is not an impact control screwdriver bit grade. You'll notice that both my current and new bits have almost the same power groove design, which locks the bit into the impact driver Hexagon Chuck. In contrast, my old rusty Phillips screw bits and low-quality blue-covered plastic bits have a different power groove design and tend to rust easily. Their smoothness is compromised over time, unlike the new Bosch Impact Control Phillips screwdriver bits. Hey DIYers and pros! Welcome back to Mark Daily DIY channel. Before we fully begin, let's make sure we're staying safe. Grab your eye protection, gloves, and a mask if needed, and let's get started. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips to help me make more videos. Now let us test these Bosch Impact Control Phillips screwdriver bits, PH1, PH2, and PH3, by installing and removing them one by one from my impact driver. We'll check if they fit and lock easily and if they can be removed effortlessly. We will also test the low-quality cheap bits for comparison. You will notice that the old rusty bits do not fit easily into my impact driver Hexagon Chuck and cannot be removed without difficulty. The problem with these cheap bits is that they get stuck in the Hexagon Chuck, and the only solution is to disassemble it. I believe this is due to the different designs of the bit power groove. In this part of the video, we will test my old rusty bit and the cheap bits I bought and see how they perform. I will show you why you shouldn't buy these cheap Phillips screw bits and why their build quality can't be trusted. In this section, we will test the magnetic strength of the Bosch Impact Control Phillips screwdriver bits, PH1, PH2, and PH3. As you can see, the PH1 bit doesn't have much magnetic strength to lift a small screw. However, starting from PH2 and now PH3, you can see that they can lift screws ranging from 1/4 of an inch to 3 inches in size. Here, we will test the PH1 bit with different screw sizes. You will notice that it's suitable for small to medium screws, but not for big screw heads. You will know if the screw fits your bit if it can be inserted into the bit point and stays in place horizontally. This will help you learn to use the proper bit size for each screw size. Next, we will test the PH2 bit with various screw sizes. You will see that it's not suitable for small screws, but works well with medium screw sizes, although it's not ideal for big screw heads. Lastly, we will test the PH3 bit with different screw sizes. You will find that it's not suitable for small screws, particularly those with small screw heads. As an added bonus, we'll test the PH3 bit with a larger Phillips truss head screw. In this part of the video, we will drive 3 3-inch screws and 3 2-inch screws using the PH2 bit, utilizing level 2 impact drive speed. In summary, if you have an impact driver and are using the Phillips screw bits that came with it, you definitely need to upgrade to these Bosch impact control bits. Having the proper bit for each screw size ensures smooth and efficient screw driving. There are 2 main reasons why you should avoid buying cheap bits. Number 1, power groove compatibility. The power groove on cheap bits often does not fit well on an impact driver, which can cause the bit to get stuck, making it difficult to remove. Number 2, build quality. Cheap bits are often not straight and have very poor build quality. This can lead to inefficient screw driving and increased wear and tear on your tools. Lastly, avoid buying cheap Phillips screw bits that cost around $2 US or 100 Philippine peso from online stores, as their low quality and poor performance will end up costing you more in the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips, and to help me make more videos. God bless.